everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Namakane Live. Once again, we're live at another Keycap reveal. I'm not too sure why I talk like that, but here we are once again, a brand new Keycap. I think due to the intro, you know exactly what this is already. And yeah, let's just open this up and see what happens. So we got a nice little note here. Thank you. I hope you'll be very happy. I hope so too. And it comes in this nicely wrapped bubble wrap for Kier. I love it. I love it. By the way, this all came in like shipping boxes, but the packaging of the shipping box was so demented and destroyed. Like when I first saw the box for this, I was like, dang, I got beat up from all the shipping and everything. But anyways, let's see what we have here. If you can't tell right off the bat, in this little nice... Wow, it actually looks really nice right out of the bat. Whoa, I didn't expect that. Wow. So this is like a bit of an upgrade from the vacuum seal. Wow. So I guess he just added extra. Normally I got my keycaps looking like this. And adding this little piece there kind of magnifies the packaging a little bit here. But once this comes out, there we go. Wow, this is incredible. What the heck? The amount of detail. Are you guys seeing this? That's insane. It's absolutely insane. It is unfortunate how Game of Thrones ended the way it did. It could have been Jon Snow on the seat, or it could have been Daenerys. But like, holy, can I open this? Sorry, I'm just so puzzled of like how magnificent. This is worth it. Holy crap, the detail. And it's pointy. Holy crap. I'm so scared to touch this thing. Keycap looks nice. I think it will fit. Oof, oof, oof. Actually, it should fit. Doesn't look even at all. So I'm hoping I could like possibly force it in. Because my biggest problem is this. I don't want to break it off when you're trying to force it. So I might have to expand that. And it's extremely light as well. Wow, that's really, really good. And it's so pointy, dude. That's incredible. Wow. Detail in this is immense. It's immaculate. Holy crap. I'm shaking just by holding this thing. I'm so scared. I'm not sure if this is fragile or not, because I could just break it off. But yeah, this is like it's so light. I'm hoping it's really durable. And you can just see the details behind the back of this keycap. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it lay here, right here, and I'm gonna use my camera sort of. Wow, look at that, eh? That could be me sitting on this throne right now, bro. This is worth it. Consider the previous keycaps I've gotten. This is worth it. This is worth the money because you see the detail. It's even. It's wow. Anyways. Thank you, vendor. Thank you. Not only you gifted me this Game of Thrones, you also gave me an extra keycap along with package. And I wasn't too sure about it, but I applaud you. Hello, fellas. I got this little adorable keycap with this. Two complete different vibes. And I really like it. It's so cute and adorable. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really love it. But anyways, back to the main thing here. This right here. I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to like use this. Like, is it here potentially? It's like kind of pinkies fit in here. Not really. Like, it's so tiny and small. Wow. Anyways, hope you guys will leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?